Problem 7 of spur gears. This to find the number of teeth. So example 6.12, two wheel meshing externally give a velocity ratio of 3. The teeth are involute form of model 6 external addendum 1 module, pressure angle 18 degrees, pinion rotates at 90 rpm. Find a number of teeth on each wheel so to avoid the interference. Second one, to find the length of path of contact. Third one, length of arc of contact and maximum velocity. And fifth one, number of pairs in contact. So gear ratio is given: G is 3, model M is 6 phi is 18 degrees, addendum is 1 model, that is 6 addendum constant can be considered as is 1. So speed of pinion N1 is 90 rpm. So therefore, to find the number of teeth on pinion, so we have formula. So small t equals to 2aw bracket square root of 1 plus 1 by g sin square pi 1 by g plus 2 bracket complete minus 1 into g. So substituting the values of 2 into a1 means aw means 1 plus 1 by g means 3 sin square 18 bracket 1 by 3 plus 2 square root minus 1 into 3. Substituting we have 18.27, so it can be rounded to 19. So therefore small number of teeth on pinion is 19. Therefore minimum number of teeth on gear T is capital T into is equals to T into G, that is 19 into 3, that is 57. And therefore now next, length of path of contact. To find length of path of contact, first we need to find the pitch circle radius R mt by 2, that is 171, and pitch circle radius of pinion small mt by 2, that is 57 addendum of circle radius RA is R plus addendum circle radius of pinion RA is R plus addendum, that is 63. Path of approach is square root of RA square plus R square cos square pi minus R sin pi. Substitute this, we have 17.01. Path of recess is R is square root of RA square R square cos square pi R sin pi. So we have 14.48. Length of path of contact, path of approach plus path of recess, that is 31.49. So next, length of arc of contact, length of path of contact by cos pi, that is 33.11 So maximum sliding velocity between the teeth. So first we need to find omega 1 is 2 pi n1 by 60, that is 9.42 radians per second. Therefore by the formula omega 1 by omega 2 is d by t. So we have omega 2 is 3.14 radians per second. So therefore maximum sliding velocity is omega 1 plus omega 2 into path of approach and path of recess, which has a maximum value. So path of approach has a maximum value, so 17.01 you have to use. So multiply 17.01, so we have 213.64 per second. Now number of pairs of teeth in contact, or that is the contact ratio, is LAC upon circular pitch. LAC is 33.11 upon circular pitch is pi into m, pi into 6, that is 1.76. That means there are 2 pairs of teeth in contact.